Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add these avatar decorations to your avatar on Discord. So you do need the Nitro, by the way, but yeah, it's going to end in probably next month. So if you do have Nitro, you can decorate your avatar. So select your user and then select edit profile, and let me just turn this off. Actually, it's fine. And then go to profile, and then here I am just going to select change decoration, and then select the decoration that I want. So we have this dog one and this cat one, this frog one. This one's cute, and these leaves one, mushrooms, and as well as flowers. And once you're done, just press apply. And you can even remove them if you don't want them, but I'm just going to apply this one and press save changes. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!